guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Emily. In today's video I have a hair tutorial for you guys, and what I did was this. These are called distress locks or butterfly locks, and they're very trendy these days. So I decided to try to do it myself instead of having to pay for it because I wasn't trying to do that. And this is how it came out. Before I get into the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and we're just gonna head on into the video. So for me to do this hairstyle, it took me about the entire day. I'm not even gonna lie, because I was taking a lot of breaks, and yeah, I was taking a lot of breaks, and I started late because I already previously had a little faux lock hairstyle in my hair that I did, and I wanted to take it out and do these instead. So I took those out. Then I had to detangle my hair, unbraid my hair, wash my hair, then blow dry my hair, then rebraid my hair just to install this. So that's why it took me the entire day. I started doing my hair at like 2 o'clock, and then I didn't finish 2 p.m. and then I didn't finish my hair until like 2 p.m. the next day. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. And yeah, I have 40 parts in my hair total. The hair that I used is water wave hair, and I also used some Marley hair. I used about 5 packs of the water wave hair, and I used, I would say, 1 pack or like half a pack really of the Marley hair, because I didn't use Marley hair all around my head. I was only starting to use Marley hair in the back, and then towards the front I just used all of the water wave hair. Without further ado, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed the hair, what method I used on how to get the little loops going on in your lock, and all of that. So here you can see that I just have 2 parts of the water wave hair, and what I'm doing is individually stretching out each of those pieces so that it can be more fuzzy and more frizzy basically. And what that does is help your faux lock to look more fuller. So with the crochet needle, what I do is put it through the braid, and then with the water wave hair, I'm going to twist it around a bit. That way I can put it into the crochet needle, and then I'm going to close the latch and pull it through the braid. I like to make sure that one side is longer than the other, because with the shorter side I use that as the base, and the longer side of the hair is what I'm using to wrap around the braid. Here you see me wrapping around the water wave hair, and I like to make sure that I have a good grip on it, that way it will stay in place. And what I like to do is wrap tightly around the roots, and then as I go down the braid I loosen it up a bit. This is a close-up of me showing how I create the loops in my lock. So what I like to do is leave my index finger in the lock for a little bit while I'm wrapping the hair around it, and I remove my finger, which creates that space in that little loop. Usually people like to do the loops with their thumb, but for some reason when I tried to do that, it just wasn't going for it, or either I was just wrapping it the opposite way that they were wrapping it in other videos that I saw previously. But this method worked for me either way, but I know that I can try to do it with the thumb method too. But if that doesn't work for you, then maybe this one will. Here you can see that I ran out of hair, so what I did was grab another piece of the water wave hair and I cut that in half so it's shorter, and what I did was stretch it out. That way I can continue wrapping the hair around the braid. Once I've reached the bottom, what I like to do is wrap the remaining hair back up the lock, and what that does is keep it in place. That way I don't have to like glue it on or burn the end or whatever other people be doing, but that method works for me and it was able to keep the lock intact. This is just another demonstration of what I did, but instead I'm using blonde hair, and that piece that I just entered was the Marley hair actually, but I'm using that as the base and I'm just using the regular water wave hair to wrap around. So this is the final look of all 40 locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. This is a really simple, cute, and easy hairstyle to accomplish, and with the hair that I got, it was very easy to wrap around with. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for those of you that are new, and thank you for watching.